You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from the anime series Sonic X. If you want to learn more character names and more anime character names that are confusing, stay tuned. It's a word from French meaning red, color red. Rouge is the English pronunciation. In French it's rouge. Now in English it's also a lipstick, meaning rouge. Rouge is a lipstick, so rouge the bat, from French rouge. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.